Hey everyone, and welcome back to part two of setting up Java and Eclipse. So in part one, we did the groundwork, which is getting the Java environment set up and getting Eclipse to download and stop complaining about Java not being available on our computer. Um, so So what I did when I was doing the tutorial was I actually created desktop shortcut. Um, so so I put mine right here. So to get started on Eclipse, first go ahead and open it. Depending on what version you have, it could be as old as Juno and it could be as new as Neon. That's what I'm using. Um, and it looks like Eclipse already has an a workspace ready for us. Um, Go ahead and go along with that. I'll show you how to create your own workspace when we start um, making our own Java applications. Won't be console based; it'll be graphics based. But I'll do a bit of console programming, but GUI is more exciting. So yeah, go along with this. Um, Over here's a path. So mine's in the users, my username, and then there's a folder that's going to create called workspace. Go along with that. Then when Eclipse opens, you should get a screen. Hold on, I'll show you once the thing opens. You should get this welcome screen right here. So so I'm not gonna go over this, but I will show you how to create your own HelloWorld application. That's basically the first application that first timers learn when they uh, when they learn Java and how to use Eclipse. So I'm gonna exit out of that, and you should see this blank screen right here. So so first create. I'm gonna right click here, and create a new Java project. And let's call this like first first application. And inside our workspace folder, it'll create another folder called first application. And click finish. And here, create just create a new class right away. Don't worry about the package. It will say that use of default package is discouraged. Don't worry about that. For tutorial purposes, we're not creating a full-blown Java application just yet, but we will next time, in about 3 weeks from now. So let's just call this like tutorial. No, let's just call this Hello World because I believe that's what this demonstrator used. And I'll click finish, and then NLC will automatically put it inside a default package. All right, so we write public static void main string brackets args, and now to get something to print out, let's write system dot out dot print, or you can write print line if you want to automatically go to the next line. And tack on a semicolon at the end to tell it that you completed a statement. Run it, and oh yeah, let's Yeah, it will ask you to save it. And your console will print out this message. Hello world. Okay, so that is how to get started on Eclipse. Now you can do pretty much whatever you want in it. Just the last word. Um, this main method you can write anything you want. So it's probably say like probably print out an output. Let's say like int x equals. Because let's say like string message equals, do something like that, and you can have it as string. So any message that you have in here. This is ticking me off. I'm just gonna click always save resources before launching, so I don't have to worry about it. So you can do that too. Or you could say like int message equals and then you just do some math. 3 plus 4, and then I'll print out 7. Okay. So I mess around with it, and I'll see you guys 3 weeks from now.